Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from the Faculty of Literature and Languages at Universitas Kristen Indonesia. Today, I'll be your unofficial tour guide, taking you around to explore 3 amazing faculties at our campus. Let's go before I start rambling too much. First up, my home faculty, the Faculty of Literature and Languages. This faculty has 3 study programs: English Literature, English Education, and Mandarin. But today, I'll focus on the one I know best, English Literature. We study literature, linguistics, culture, critical thinking, and text analysis. There's also public speaking, creative writing, and adapting literary works into performances or short films. The best part? We often join theater production, both on the off-campus, and sometimes we get free tickets too. If you love languages, stories, and communication, this is the perfect place for you. If you love writing, performing, or exploring culture, this is the perfect place to grow. Now we're at the Faculty of Economics and Business, home to future entrepreneurs, managers, and accountants. Students here learn everything from management and accounting to economics and digital marketing. It's not just theory. You'll practice by creating business plans, running simulations, even launching real products. The lecturers are up to date, often discussing current business, trends, and case studies. Many students start their own business early on, some already earning profits in their second semester. If you are into numbers, strategy, and innovation, this is the right place for you. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the next startup founder. Okay, lastly, we're visiting the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. If you love teaching, have patience, and enjoy working with kids, this is the right place. Here, we study education theory, child psychology, and creative teaching methods. Besides theory, we get hands-on teaching practice in real schools to prepare us well. You'll be trained to teach from kindergarten to high school, covering a broad range. There are also seminars to sharpen your teaching skills. Bonus, early practice for that teacher-level patience. If teaching is your true calling and you want to inspire others, FKIP is the answer. So, there's a glimpse of 3 awesome faculties at our campus. Got any favorites yet? Whatever you choose, keep your passion for learning alive. And remember, it's not just about majors, it's about your dreams.